Ever get tired of dismissing the same calendar alert on multiple devices? On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a setting that makes life easier. Here's how to use it. Open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. And then turn on Dismiss Alert from all devices. For example, imagine you have a meeting reminder that pops up on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, your Galaxy Watch, and your tablet. With this option turned on, dismissing the alert on your phone will also dismiss it on your other devices automatically. It's super handy if you use multiple Samsung devices and don't want to deal with the same alert several times. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.